We came yesterday at 9 p.m. in a car, and we took 2 hours, but I'm not sure about where we set the boat. We spent 3 hours on the boat, and we had reached Greece. We saw a boat, and we saw the words were written like Greece, not Turkish words, so we thought that they can help us. We called them for help. They came and started following us. Then they took our engine and told us, go back, go back. They followed us until the Turkish Coast Guards came and rescued us.